I think I probably had the most incredible experience of my life.
Being together and joy of growing together. It's so wonderful. Her eyes went wet and everybody's eyes went wet. We are blossoming individually, blossoming together. Both are mutually exclusive experiences.
Mostly in courses, there's a certain level of, I feel like I'm going to be judged with whatever I'm going to say. It wasn't that feeling at all. It felt like I was in a room full of friends who were all just sitting around having a chat.
We opened up and we were able to, bridge that gap. We didn't feel that we were strangers or we were people from different places.
That experience was totally different because the things that I had been doing before for spirituality, this course on meditation and all this about personal growth, I think, or I understood when I arrived for this workshop that it was maybe my ego driven before. And then this was really me like discovering the new Alberto.
I'm a two-time survivor of cancer, so the program and particularly Praveen really helped me to take that jacket off. That's history now. You are here as you are, and I love that.
I'm so much in immense gratitude. I sometimes think, what are all these that we talk about, Karan? What political boundaries, what religion, what caste, what creed we talk about? Look at this oneness of the spirit. Where else can we see it than this mad world? And I know we can radiate it and bring it out to the whole world. It's so important to show that we are all just one. There's nothing which can ever take us apart from each other. That is the beauty. So immense gratitude for giving me so many experiences.
You guys are doing an amazing job.
I'm the first person that create happiness department in human resources and also the first happiness manager of Turkey. Now I am giving happiness lessons at university. I have 5 books and more than 50 academic research about happiness.
It's informal, it's engaging, so it's like having a conversation, but you're also learning. And that's a nice way to do it, isn't it?
Come and join our group of happy people, happy coaches, and let's make this a better place. We can do it. We can do it, but you need to start today, right now.